Hi, I'm Shayla.
And I'm her older cousin Marissa.
And today we will be making Grandpa Ericsson's Swedish pancakes.
The ingredients are 1 cup of flour, 3 eggs, 2 cups milk, and 6 tablespoons of butter.
Before we start, we need to wash our hands. Now that we've washed our hands, we gotta combine the ingredients.
First, let's start with the 1 cup of flour. And we're gonna add the 2 cups milk. And 3 eggs. And the 6 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to whisk it together. Now that we got it to a smooth consistency, we're going to put some butter in the bottom of the pan and turn it to a medium heat. Now just let that melt a little.
Now that we got the pan hot, we're going to add a scoop of batter.
Now that we have flipped it, we're going to pour some sugar in the middle of it. And we're going to roll that up now.
We've rolled it up, we're going to slide it onto the plate. And turn off the oven. Now that we've finished, we can make Swedish pancakes for breakfast or dessert, plain or with berries. I like mine with berries.
You can also make it for lunch and dinner and make it a savory dish with some ham and cheese, but today I'm going to have mine with kiwi.
Now that we've finished, oh, I cannot wait to eat them. These are my favorite.
Excuse me.